Sachin Rajesh Pilot, born September 7, 1977, is an Indian politician. He was the former Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Rajasthan and former President of the Rajasthan Pradesh Congress Committee. As member of the Congress Party, he has represented the Tonk Assembly seat in Rajasthan since 2018. Pilot was previously a member of the Indian Parliament for the Ajmer and 2009 and Dausa constituencies of Rajasthan, becoming the youngest member of parliament when he was elected from the latter seat in 2004, aged 26. He lost Lok Sabha election from Ajmer constituency in 2014. He served as the Minister of Corporate Affairs in the second Manmohan Singh Ministry. Pilot was born in Saharanpur city of Uttar Pradesh. He is the son of the late Congress leader Rajesh Pilot and Rama Pilot. His father was a Union Minister of India. His ancestral village is Vaidpura in Noida. He studied at Air Force Balbarati School, New Delhi, and holds a BA from St. Stephen's College, University of Delhi, a diploma in marketing from IMT Ghaziabad and an MBA from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, USA. He was employed with the Delhi Bureau of the British Broadcasting Corporation and then with American multinational corporation General Motors for 2 years. In the 2004 Lok Sabha elections, Pilot was elected from the Dausa constituency. At the age of 26, he became the youngest MP in India. In the 2009 Lok Sabha elections, he defeated the Bharatiya Janata Party's Kiran Maheshwari by a margin of 76,000 votes and won the seat of Ajmer. Pilot was a member of the Lok Sabha Standing Committee on Home Affairs and member of the Consultative Committee in the Ministry of Civil Aviation. In 2012, he became the Minister of Corporate Affairs in the second Manmohan Singh Ministry. In the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, he was again nominated from the Ajmer constituency and was defeated by a margin of 1,71,983 votes by Bharatiya Janata Party's sitting MLA Samarlal Jaut. In 2014, he was appointed the President of the Rajasthan Pradesh Congress Committee. In July 2020, Pilot's office issued a statement saying that the government of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot is in a minority. An aide of Pilot's indicated that he would not be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. In the 2018 Legislative Assembly elections, Pilot won from the Tonk seat, after defeating Yunus Khan by a margin of 54,179 votes. It was speculated that Pilot, who was considered instrumental in the Congress's victory in the state, would be given the post of Chief Minister. On December 17, 2018, he was sworn in as Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan under Ashok Gehlot. The Indian National Congress on July 14, 2020. Sachin Pilot is the Deputy Chief Minister and Rajasthan Congress President for his revolt against the party and its leadership. Sachin Pilot married Sarah Abdullah on January 15, 2004. Sarah Abdullah is the daughter of Farooq Abdullah, Chairman of Jammu and Kashmir National Conference and ex-Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Together they have 2 sons, Arun and Vihayan. He was one of the 714 Indians mentioned in the Paradise Papers tax evasion. Sachin Pilot on September 6, 2012 became the first Union Minister of India to be commissioned as an officer in the Territorial Army, India, fulfilling his desire to follow his father's footsteps to be in the armed forces. He is therefore known as Lieutenant Pilot for being an officer in the Territorial Army, India. After being commissioned, he said, "This has been my desire to join the army for very long, as I wanted to have my links with the armed forces, like my father and grandfather. I am honored to be part of this family." Rajesh Pilot, In Spirit Forever, co-authored with sister Sarika Pilot.